15 knots, becoming west. Seas 3 to 6 feet. Sunday night, west winds 5 to 15 knots, becoming variable. Seas subsiding to 2 to 4 feet.
There we fucking go. Thank you.
In Boston, Washington has issued a flash flood watch for portions of northern Connecticut and Massachusetts, including northern Connecticut, Hartford, Tolland, and Wyndham. In Massachusetts, Essex, Franklin, Hampden, Hampshire, Middlesex, Norfolk, Suffolk, and Worcester. From Thursday morning through late Thursday night, tropical moisture will converge ahead of an area of low pressure and sweeping cold from beginning Thursday morning, concluding by Thursday night. Moderate to heavy rainfall anticipated, averaging around 1 to 2 inches for the region. However, locally heavier amounts are expected, especially with any thunderstorm activity. Additional concern of torrential rainfall along high terrain, potentially occurring within a 1 to 3 hour window. There is a possibility that flash flooding will occur. Streams and small rivers are running much higher than normal, and the ground remains fairly saturated from a series of heavy rainfall events from late September into early October. Therefore, the region is vulnerable to flash flooding.
No shit!
Flash flood watch means that conditions may develop to lead to flash flooding. Flash flooding is a very dangerous situation. You should monitor later forecasts and be prepared to take action should flash flood warnings be issued. You're listening to North All Hazards Radio, station WXJ42 in Meriden. This broadcast originates from the National Weather Service Forecast Office located on the grounds of Brookhaven National Laboratory in Upton, New York. Station WXJ42 broadcasts on a frequency of 162.40 megahertz. Here's the latest weather map discussion. After some patchy fog early this morning, clouds